Hey everyone, so today I got another video for you. This one is going to be a Twitch tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to add your Twitch offline banner onto your Twitch page. I'm going to show you guys how to do this today. Alright, so this is going to be so easy, and let's go on ahead and go to my computer and then let's get started. So here we are on my computer. Now if you want to add a Twitch offline banner, this is what it will look like right here. This is my Twitch offline banner. This is just a simple basic banner that I made. Alright, so mine says stay connected with Superweapons Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 to 10 p.m. Central Time for my live streams. And just so you know, this is my live streaming page. And then I have currently 50 followers, if not more. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, so for you to add a Twitch banner, offline banner, that you go to your avatar up here, go to your settings. So what you want to do is from this page here, go to channel and videos, this one right here. Alright, and then the next thing is, you should see this page. All you have to do is just click on brand, right next to schedule, and then you see feature content. So what you want to do is go to brand, and then scroll all the way down until you see this video player banner, and then it says this is display on the player when your channel is currently offline. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and click on update. Alright, and then select a photo. Alright, and then here is my offline banner right here. Now, just so you guys know, my times may change during online gameplay or online or something like that during the week. But anyways, so you know it is now complete, uploaded onto your Twitch banner. Now, let me see here. You can always update it and then change it, or you can delete it, or something like that if you're deciding to change your offline banner or whatever. Okay, so now let's go back on over to my channel and then see if it's there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to twitch.tv/superweapons. Okay, and then go to my place there, and there it is. So now it is now working onto Twitch offline banner. So there you go. Now you know how to add a Twitch offline banner for your Twitch page. Now please don't forget to follow me on Twitch because I like to stream over there on Twitch. Let me see here, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, just so you know, the times may change on the schedule, but we'll see. I mean, anyways, I think that's pretty much about it today on this video. And if you guys have any questions, you know, just leave the comments down below. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Don't forget to click this video up here, the one I'm pointing at. See? It's like up there. See? Yeah. It's like, click it. Click it. Come on now. Click it. Well, anyways, see you later.